Hi, this is Gail from RV Life with Gary and Gail. I'm coming to you from our DRV Mobile Suites fifth wheel. Today, I'm going to be making indoor s'mores. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making indoor s'mores. So get that pencil or pen out and start writing down the recipe as I give it to you. So the very first thing, I've got my pan out here, and we're going to put in some light corn syrup. 2/3 cup. Measure. Now with this corn syrup, you can put in a tad more. So I'm going to get it all the way filled and dump it in a big pan. And there's our corn syrup, 2/3 cup. Next is 2 tablespoons margarine. Well, I like to use butter, and if it's calling for 2 tablespoons, why stop at 2? Let's put in 4, because it always makes it taste better. So 4 tablespoons, unwrap it, and put it in. The next one is just very simple. We're going to put in the whole package of milk chocolate chips. Just dump that in there. And we throw our paper away as we go and wash our hands, because you're always washing your hands when you cook. And now we're going to just kind of wait. We're going to get this thing going, and we're going to, the directions say to bring it to a boil. And I'm not going to get it really high. I'm not going to get it really low either. It's kind of medium. Take my spatula out. And then stir. The chocolate chips will melt, the butter will melt, and it will all mix together. While we are waiting for this, we're going to go ahead and measure our marshmallows. So the next thing is 3 cups miniature marshmallows. But the marshmallows are just about like the margarine. Why stop at 3 when you can put in 4? It just makes it better. So I do doctor up the recipes a little bit. You put a smidgen more of this and a tad bit more of that, and the recipes taste a little bit better. Oops. And there's 3 cups. That one goes in, and let's add not that many more. And now we're ready to stir. So we're going to stop this while this boils, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, welcome back. It is boiling. Our indoor s'mores is now boiling, and it looks really yummy. It's chocolatey. So now we're going to put in, I have measured out 8 cups. Now with this, the golden grams, I do not go extra on that because it kind of dries it out a little bit. But I've put in exactly 8 cups. We're going to just stir this just a little bit, not even to coat it. The chocolate is still very, very warm. And now we're going to dump those marshmallows. Oh, okay. I have forgotten one thing in the recipe. It's 1 teaspoon vanilla. But since I forgot it, I'm not going to add it in. I'm afraid it might make some of the golden grams kind of a little soggy. So I'm going to just go ahead and dump in those marshmallows. And now we're going to stir it just until the marshmallows start melting just a little bit. Not much. We're going to get all the way at the bottom. Now look at this. That looks really yummy. You're going to see it whenever I put it in the pan. Oh, that's looking good. All right, now we are ready to put it in a pan. Slide it over. And we might need 2 pans for this because I don't want it push it down or press it down. Want it kind of a little bit airy. So even if it takes 2 pans, just makes it look like it's more also. Not that that's important. Okay, there's one pan. Now, the next pan. And all you have to do after this is just let it cool and serve it. And you're done. And just watch the compliments come in, because it is so good. And you have cereal in there, so it's healthy. And you also have chocolate, which chocolate is always good for you. Okay, and that is it. So thank you for watching. Come back for the next recipe, which probably might be, I'm not sure. Just come on back. Bye now. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is RV Life with Gary and Gail. Make sure you hit the little button, the bell, so that you can be notified whenever a new video comes out. All right, bye.